हम चाहे जितना भी वेस्टर्न कल्चर से इन्फ्लुएंस हो जाएं, लेकिन बारी अगर हमारी डी डे की यानी कि हमारी वेडिंग डे की आती है, हम हमेशा इंडियन कपड़े ही सिलेक्ट करते हैं। बस इसी को ध्यान में रखते हुए मैं पहुंच चुकी हूँ एक ऐसी जगह जहाँ पे आपको हर चीज मिलेगी। जी हाँ, मैं पहुंच चुकी हूँ नव्या में और इस वक्त मेरे साथ हैं वहाँ की ओनर। आइए चलिए उनसे बात करते हैं। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वेलकम मैम।
Thank you.
मैम, मैं आपका नाम जानना चाहूंगी।
Neelu Kalra.
ऑलराइट, मिसेस कालरा, कैन यू प्लीज टेल मी समथिंग अबाउट नव्या?
Okay, now this venture is only about 3 years old. As you can see, we have a spread which we have really worked hard at. Initially, we started with just a little bit of tailoring and, making custom-made clothes for people because mostly people are not very happy with the kind of bling that's been on offer and they have their ideas on their own, but they can't execute them. So they come to us and they ask us to, give shape to the idea that is in their mind, but they can't clearly put it across. So we have this variety of stuff which we put together and we try to give a clear picture to what is in your mind.
Alright, if you talk about wedding wear, can you please tell me something about wedding wear? How do you proceed in the wedding wear section?
See, what happens is, since we are doing everything custom made, like I said earlier, whatever is in your mind, we kind of mold it and give shape to your ideas with whatever we have available with us. But what happens is, during the wedding season, people end up buying a lot of heavy stuff.
Yeah, absolutely.
And then the girls, they are left with no choice to wear on occasions which are before the wedding and immediately after the wedding. So this is where we come in.
Alright, so can you please tell me these are very beautiful blouse, I guess, alright? Can you please describe me?
Yeah, this is a very multi-purpose blouse. Mm-hmm. We do heavy blouses like these, which have several colors and motifs in them. So you can combine these with different kinds of sarees.
Alright.
Yes.
And what do you call this blouse as?
This is a blouse in Zardozi.
Okay.
So we have different pattis here. So what happens is a client chooses one of the designs which he or she likes and then we put it across on the sari.
Alright.
So they can have a sari color of their own choice as well as the pattern of their own choice.
When it comes to suits, can you please tell me what brides actually select?
See, the cut has to be trendy first of all, whatever is in fashion, and it has to be a blend of tradition as well as modernity. So, they're liking these kind of motifs here, and churidars and straight pants are in. So we have to try and combine those.
All right. And when it comes to saris, can you just show me some of your samples of saris?
Yeah, I can show you saris, but again, like I said, they are mostly teamed with heavy blouses. For instance, if we take this out, see, though this is a red color, which is a traditional bridal wear, we have teamed it with these multi-brocades to brighten it, yet keep it a little subtle.
Alright, one question I would like to ask कि आप इतनी creativity, इतना patience कहाँ से लाते हैं कि आपकी हर एक डिजाइन में देख रही हूँ बिल्कुल अलग है. It is not similar at all.
That's basically, it's coming from the clients here.
All right.
Because we are learning all the time. As many clients, as many ideas. You give us one input and we say, immediately we get charged and we want to put it into.
All right.
Yeah.
Last thing I would like to ask, do you want to say something to your viewers, to the customers?
Well, all said and done, however we may look at the West, like you said earlier, we must keep our tradition in mind because this vast there's abundant in our culture where we have all these different kinds of embroideries and like you have chickens or dozi. I think we should not forget those. Keep those in mind whenever we get outfits done.
Thank you so much. भाई मैंने तो आपको एक ऐसी जगह दिखा दी जहां आप अपने आइडियाज भी लगा सकते हैं, साथ में आपको बहुत ही अच्छे अच्छे एक्स्ट्रा आइडियाज मिल जाएंगे. तो मेरी मानिए सिर्फ वेडिंग वेयर नहीं, दूसरे कलेक्शंस भी यहाँ पे हैं, तो एक बार ट्राई करके जरूर देखिएगा. भावना कपूर, thenewsborn.com, लखनऊ.